So students, that's the question for us for today. A finite set M of positive integers consists of distinct perfect squares and the number 92. The average of the numbers is 85. So I will say let the number of perfect squares be. Let the number of perfect squares be k. So what are we given? So let's write one by one. We are given that sum of the squares, so p1 square, p2 square till pk square. One of the number is 92, not a perfect square. Over total number of numbers is this k plus 1 and the average is given to be 85. That's relation number 1. Now what next? Next statement is, if we remove 92 from M, so what are we left with? Of course, we are left with just sum of perfect squares, p2 square, pk square by k number of terms we are left with, and then the average is 84. This relation 2. Okay, so now from these two, can't we write? We can write summation pi square, I goes from 1 to k. First one is 85k minus 7. And the second one, 85, of course, it's 85k minus 7. And second one is direct summation pi square, I goes from 1 to k, is simply 84k. Now solve them. So 84k is equal to 85k minus 7. So that means k is equal to 7. Now that gives us the summation of perfect square, I goes from 1 to k, or rather 7, is 84 into 7. So how much is it? It's 588. Now the simple question is, if the n square is the largest possible integer, so n square can't exceed 484, which is nothing but a square of 22. Is that the answer? Is another question. Or see, because what are we left with? If I replace n by 484, so that means p1 square plus p2 square, so remaining 6 perfect squares should add up to give 104. So this is one thing which I verified before claiming that yes, this is the answer, n is 22. Then what? See what I tried. Of course I first tried summation of r square. R goes from 1 to 6 direct. So 1 square, 2 square, it is 6 square. So what is the answer? 6 into 7 into 13 by 6. So it is 91. How much we need? 104. There's a gap of 13. Then I realized, okay, between two perfect squares, 49 and 36. Okay, there's a gap of 13. So replace, so till 5 square continue as consecutive squares and replace 6 square by 5 square and you get 104. So that means n is equal to 22 is our answer, bachcho. So that's it. So okay, so that was the question for today, bachcho.